Milky Fluffy. He's the big Fluffy, baby Fluffy. They're still enjoying their sunbathing outside. Yeah. Jack is still here as well, enjoying himself. Setsuko's up there. Yeah. Can we see Setsuko? The sun's really hitting it. Hold on. Gotta go around. Eric! And Eric's here too. Yeah! Mama Chawako. Setsuko! See, Setsuko's up the top. She loves to go the highest one, up on the tree playground that I made them. She loves playing up there high. She does this cute little scratchy with her foot. These look so beautiful there in the playground. Yes. Go back over to Big Fluffy and Baby Fluffy. He's gonna say something, you cute little sounds. Doing a whole 360. Yeah. Still got Baby and Cupcake over here sunbathing as well. Yeah. You gonna say Majitu Pipi? And Cupcake. You gonna talk as well? You got the Marinas over there still as well. Let's get a close up of them. These ones I don't let outside here because I haven't trained them. Like with my pigeons, they're mostly like inside flying around. I'll let them, but outside I'd be worried because they might fly away, and we don't want that now because they're all mama's babies. Gotta keep them safe. Snishka, Snishka! You're so cute. How you look like chickens. Special Medina pigeons, aren't you? The biggest ones. Chubby, chubby. Snishka, Chikore? Gonna hop up there with your girl? Hop up on the stick? No, he's not gonna. Go back to Baby and Cupcake. Snooky's still over there as well. He's eating his food. We're gonna go back to Snooky. But first, are you gonna say something, Baby? Cupcake? You gonna say something? No. I'm not talking now. So nice today. Beautiful and sunny. It's excellent for their calcium, the sun. Very good. Jacka keeps talking, making his cute sounds. The Jacka. Yes. You flew on mama. You flew on mama. Jacka. We're gonna go over to Snooky now. Yeah. Let mama put you back here so you can enjoy yourself. Get up there. Good boy. Such a good boy, Jacka. Such a good boy. Yes. Eric, gotta give you some spotlight as well. Eric, you gonna say something? Little Eric. He actually does these adorable, cute little sounds like R2-D2. The very first time he done it, I was like, oh my god, it reminds me exactly of R2-D2, that little cute robot from the Star Wars. Setsuko's still playing up here. Yeah. Setsuko, you gonna give mama a kiss? You gonna give the camera a kiss? She actually does that sound. When I say, "Dai mommy push you," she does that sound, like the kissing sound. We're gonna go over to Snooky now. You're still here eating. Are you finished eating or are you still eating? Huh? Snooky Mookie. Hey, Sonat. He's such a good boy.